After reserving your name, Rahul, as you have more than 7 subscribers in your proposed company, you should begin filling up the following forms: INC 7, DIR 12 and INC 22. You will find these forms on the MCA portal, that is www.mca.gov.in. The INC form is for incorporation of Part 1 companies and companies with more than 7 subscribers. INC 7 should also have all the basic details of the company, such as the name of the company, registered office of the company, the main objective that the proposed company is planning to pursue, and the authorized share capital of the company. The minimum authorized capital for a private limited company is 2 rupees and for a public limited company is 7 rupees. Part 1 companies shall mean any partnership firm, LLP, cooperative society or any other business entity formed under any other law which applies for registration under Section 366 of the Companies Act 2013. If you want to incorporate a Part 1 company, then you need to make an application under URC1, which shall also be filed along with INC 7, DIR 12 and INC 22. You should attach the Memorandum of Association, also known as MOA, and Articles of Association, also known as AOA. To understand the format, you will have to refer to Schedule 1 of the Companies Act 2013. Along with these, you would have to attach INC 8 and INC 9. INC 8 is a declaration by a practicing professional. This is a third-party form giving confirmation that everything has been compiled by a professional. Whereas INC 9 is an affidavit by the first directors and subscribers to MOA, which is the Memorandum of Association. While you work on that, you need to have the DIR 12 form sorted. DIR 12 is the appointment of the first directors of the proposed company. In this, all the details of the directors shall be provided along with the consent to act as a director. Now let's look at INC 22. Here you state the location of the registered office of your company. Wait, Rahul, why are you so nervous? You don't have a registered office yet, do you? It's okay, Rahul, relax. Setting up permanent offices can be tricky, especially for new companies. That is why there is the option when filing INC 7 to avoid filing INC 22. But remember to file within 30 days of getting your incorporation certificate. You will now receive INC 11, which is the Certificate of Incorporation. But don't get too excited, Rahul. We still need to talk about the cost. Now, all this depends on the authorized capital that your company has proposed to have. Just an estimate, Rahul. For now, let's say you have an authorized capital of 1 lakh rupees. Your cost of registration shall be a total of 3,200 rupees. That should be divided as follows. For the Memorandum of Association, the fees is 2,000 rupees. For registering the articles, the fees is 300 rupees. And for each form filing, that is 300 rupees. In addition to this, you will have to remember to pay stamp duty. You can pay this by going to www.mca.gov.in under the tab MCA Services. And after all this, Rahul, you will be incorporated and you will have your certificate. Congratulations. Let's look at the process again. He first got a DSC from a certifying authority. He then got a DIN from www.mca.gov.in. Post that, he applied for INC 1, which is the name application form. Next, he filed for INC 7, which is for incorporation. And after that, he got DIR 12, which is for appointing directors. Next, he filled in the INC 22 form, which states the location of the registered company. Once these forms were approved, he received INC 11, which is the Certificate of Incorporation. And this entire process took him about 3 days, which is primarily because none of his forms got rejected. So make sure all your forms get approved or it would delay the process.